Welcome to Fresa Technologies blogs. We'll be looking at how to do closing balance in Fresa application. Open blog.fresatechnologies.com. In search option, enter how to do closing balance in Fresa application. In the search, select the blog. Here you can see the step-by-step procedure with images. First step, we have to generate profit and loss report for the particular period. Next step is to create journal voucher with the period and date as a voucher date. In the voucher, we need to enter all the debit summary value from the profit and loss report to the credit, and all the credit summary value from the profit and loss report to the debit, and enter the difference amount as retained earnings. This is the process. In Fresa application, open accounts module, then select all voucher menu, and then select voucher type as journal voucher, then click create single. Here we need to select the voucher date and voucher book and the other required details, and then click save. Now we need to add the account details. Click the add button to add the account details. Here select the ledger. Here select credit if it is debit in the profit and loss report, and vice versa. Click save and close. After enter all the details and add the difference amount as retained earnings, then the net amount will be 0. Also now in the profit and loss report, the amount will be 0. This is the process. Let's see this in Fresa application. First, to generate profit and loss report, open accounts module. Here select profit and loss reports. Here select profit and loss summary. Here select the required branch. Here select the period from date. Here select the to date. And then click submit. Here you will get the profit and loss summary. Next step is to create journal voucher. For that, open accounts module. Select all voucher menu. You select the voucher type as journal voucher. And then click create single. Here select the period end date as voucher date. Here select the required branch. Then select the book. Then enter the currency and check with the exchange rate. And then click save. Now we are going to add the account details. Click the add button. Here select the account. Here select debit. This account is credit in the profit and loss summary. Here we need to enter the amount. Here enter the currency and check with the exchange rate. And then click save and close. The account details has been added. Like this, add all the account details. After add all the account details, then add the difference amount as retained earnings. Select the account as retained earnings. Just select credit or debit. Here enter the amount. Select the currency and check with the exchange rate, and then click save and close. Now click the save changes. Here you will see the net amount is 0. The debit amount and credit amount are same. Now in the profit and loss report, the amount will be 0. So this is how to do closing balance in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.